Shakes Frisco sauce, little munch. 1 part mayo. 1 part ketchup. 1 part French dressing. Or Dorothy Lynch, which I think is a little closer to the recipe. There we go. 1/2 part relish. Add a pinch of sugar, pinch, dash of garlic powder, and 100% optional, depending on your taste, either a drop of sriracha or a drop of hot sauce. Drop. Mix very well. Usually I would put these on the Frisco burgers with Swiss and American, but we're going to try these with French fries. Happy Face French fries. Voila, Steak and Shakes Frisco dipping sauce. Nice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.